July 17, 2022 is a Sunday. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Houston. Dress for heat. The temperature today should reach up to 99 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 37%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 14 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be hot with few clouds. Tuesday is going to be hot with clear sky. Wednesday is going to be hot with few clouds. Thursday is going to be hot with moderate rain. Friday is going to be hot with clear sky. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning, some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In other Texas news, House votes to restore abortion rights. Democrat Beto O'Rourke on Friday reported raising nearly $32 million in his bid for Texas governor during the first half of 2022, more than Republican Gov. Next up, Haaland races to recover brutal history of U.S. Native American boarding schools. Reuters.com. July 15, Reuters U.S. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but Texas and its power grid brace for more heat. After several days when triple-digit temperatures tested the ability of the Texas electric grid to keep power flowing, an other round of extreme heat threatens the state. In other Texas news, the Parkland gunman's sentencing trial will decide if he gets the death penalty. When the sentencing trial for the gunman who killed 17 people at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland, Florida. In other Texas news, with $27.6 million haul, Beto O'Rourke sets a new fundraising record in Texas politics. The Texas Tribune. Sign up for The Brief, our daily newsletter that keeps readers up to speed on the most essential Texas news. Democratic gubernatorial candidate Beto O'Rourke raised a staggering $27. In our next story, Floodworks' smart design for easier flood protection. Aqua dams are gigantic rubber tubes that serve as a water-filled alternative to sandbags. In other Texas news, understanding common foundation problems with commercial properties in Texas. Robbie Brown is the founder of Pinnacle Foundation Repair, a foundation repair company that has been serving Texas for over 20 years. That's it, Texas. Have a good one. We're always working to improve our service. Please subscribe to show support. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).